In this video I'm going to show you how to trim sound in your TikTok application. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up TikTok application and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And start creating video like you normally would. So you can take a video using your camera, or you can upload one from your gallery. You can use videos and also you can upload photos. Let me select that photo, for example, and now I need to add here some music. For that I tap on that sound icon. And here I can select any sound that I like. Let it be that one. I type and add this sound to my video, and now I want to trim it. For that I tap on that trim icon right here at the right, and here I can just drag this sound line to select time in which this sound will start. I can drag it to the left or to the right until I find the necessary starting position for that track, and then tap done. And now I may continue creating my video as I normally do. I can add description to my video and all other options, and then just hit that post button. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.